Here's the hook. If your network was a house, most people only lock the front door. Locks, alarms, room dividers, a watch list at the door, curtains on every window. In 3 minutes I'll show you the basics of applying network security features so your house isn't an open house. Explain. Every attack needs 3 wins. Get in, move, around, stay hidden. So your defenses should do 3 things. Block the door segment. The rooms watch everything. Block the door. Strong identity. Use multi-factor authentication on routers, firewalls, cloud dashboards, and VPNs. Encrypt in transit. Use TLS everywhere, HTTPS, secure IMAP, SMTP, SSH instead of Telnet. On Wi-Fi use WPA3 or at least WPA2 AES. Edge filtering, a stateful firewall that denies by default, only allows specific inbound services you actually need, and rate limits noisy traffic. Segment the rooms. VLANs and subnets separate guests, IoT, servers, and work devices. Layer 3 ACLs let approve traffic flow between segments and block the rest. Zero trust mindset. Don't assume inside is safe. Verify each request. Watch everything. Enable logging on firewalls, switches, and wireless controllers. Send logs to a central SYS-log, or SY-EM. Use IDS, SHA-IPS to detect or block suspicious patterns. Turn on DNS filtering to block known bad domains before the click lands. Apply. Quick checklist you can run in an afternoon. 1. Update and backup. Patch your router, switch, AP, and endpoint OS. Export a config backup before changes. 1. Lockdown admin access. Change default creds, use long unique passwords in a manager, enable MFA restrict management to your admin devices or and allow listed IP disable legacy protocols like Telnet and HTTP, use SSH and HTTPS only. 1. Secure Wi-Fi. Set WPA3 personal or WPA2 AES, disable WPS. Use a strong passphrase. Hide management SSID, create a separate guest SSID on its own VLAN, with client isolation on. 1. Build segments. VLAN 10, Work VLAN 20, IoT VLAN 30. Guests apply inner VLAN firewall rules. Guests, Internet only, IoT, Internet and specific controllers. Work, allowed to servers, blocked to guest IoT by default. 1. Harden the edge. Default deny inbound from the Internet, only open ports you truly need, map to specific internal hosts. Enable UPnP off. Turn on DOS protections and rate limiting where available. 1. Encrypt everything. Force. HTTPS. For internal dashboards use SSH keys, enable DNS over HTTPS, if supported tunnel remote access through a VPN, no plain port forwarding for RDP. 1. Monitor and alert. Send device logs to a central spot. Enable email by SHA alerts. For failed logins and port scans, review weekly. 1. Prepare to respond. Keep an inventory, document your VLANs and rules, test restores from backups, know how to rotate keys quickly. Final thought. Security isn't a product, it's a habit. Start small, segment smart, and make visibility your superpower.